Do you wear glasses and wish you could see clearly without them? Many people today suffer from weak eyesight, blurry vision, eye strain, and headaches. Long hours in front of phones, computers, and TVs damage our eyes slowly. But the good news is, you don't always need expensive glasses or surgery. There are powerful natural ways to improve your eyesight and protect your vision for life. In this video, we will talk about home remedies, simple exercises, and lifestyle changes that can help you improve your eyesight naturally. Let's begin with food. Your eyes need nutrition to stay healthy. Start eating more carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which keep the retina strong and help you see better in low light. Spinach and green leafy vegetables are also very powerful. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that protect the eyes from harmful blue light. Add 1 handful of spinach to your diet every day. You can eat it raw in salads or lightly cooked. Next, let's talk about Amla, also called Indian gooseberry. Amla juice is amazing for your eyes. It's full of vitamin C, which keeps your eye muscles strong and reduces eye pressure. Take 1 tablespoon of Amla juice every morning on an empty stomach. You can mix it with water or honey if you like. This simple habit can improve your vision over time. Now let's focus on eye exercises. These are simple and you can do them anytime during the day. First, the palming exercise. Rub your hands together to make them warm, then gently place your palms over your closed eyes. Feel the warmth relaxing your eyes. Do this for 2 minutes. It reduces stress and improves blood flow. Next, try focus shifting. Hold your finger near your nose, focus on it, then slowly move it far and focus on a distant object. This helps strengthen the eye muscles. Do this 10 times a day. Another great technique is the 20-20-20 rule. After every 20 minutes of screen time, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a break and prevents strain. Also, blink more. Most people don't blink enough while using screens, and this dries out the eyes. Blinking keeps your eyes fresh and moist. Now let's talk about hydration. Drinking enough water is very important for your eyes. Dehydration can cause dryness and irritation. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Also, use eye drops made from rosewater or pure castor oil at night. Just 1 drop in each eye can help reduce redness and tiredness. Another amazing home remedy is Triphala. It is an Ayurvedic powder made from 3 fruits. Mix 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder in warm water and drink it before bed. You can also wash your eyes with Triphala water to cleanse and refresh them. Reduce screen time as much as you can. Avoid watching your phone or laptop in the dark. Always keep proper lighting. Don't hold the phone too close to your eyes. Keep it at least 16 inches away. Also, make sure your posture is good. Bad sitting positions can cause eye and neck tension. Sleep is also vital. Your eyes rest and repair during sleep. Try to sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Before sleep, close your eyes and visualize a bright sun, clear water, and green trees. This mental picture gives peace to your eyes and brain. You can also massage the area around your eyes gently using your ring finger. It improves blood flow and reduces dark circles and puffiness. Sunlight is another powerful healer. Try to spend 10 minutes every morning in natural sunlight. Just close your eyes and face the sun gently. This gives vitamin D and helps reset your natural eye rhythm. But avoid looking directly at the sun. Avoid smoking and reduce sugar intake. These harm your eye health over time. Instead, eat more nuts like almonds and walnuts, which contain omega-3 fats. They protect the retina and reduce dryness. Add them to your breakfast every day. Take breaks. Give your eyes rest every hour. Go for short walks and focus on faraway trees or sky. The color green relaxes your eyes and mind. And don't forget to smile. A happy mood sends positive energy to your eyes. Finally, remember, eyesight can be improved if you take care daily. You don't have to live with glasses forever. With the right food, exercises, and habits, your vision can become clear and strong again. It takes time, but it is possible. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Inner Vitality. We share simple, natural health tips for a better life without pills. Take care of your eyes. They are your window to the world.